हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम उस जावा 10 के हाइप के बारे में बात करेंगे और एक वर्डिक्ट ड्रॉ करेंगे वेदर इट्स वर्थ इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट एंड द हाइप इज कॉल्ड वेयर. Yes, this is a Java video and I have not made a mistake. This is not a JavaScript video. So what is this hype? ये hype है क्या? So उस दिन चाय पे चर्चा चल रही थी and some people came to me with questions like, is Java no longer dynamically typed? Java is becoming like JavaScript, but where is more clean, modern, less boilerplate. You know the usual community buzz, some happy faces, some sad faces. कुछ खुश थे, कुछ ना खुश थे. So I decided let's do a balancing and create a video about it. First of all, what where actually is. So आप सभी लोग, I'm assuming, is very well aware of what Java language is, and usually when we define a variable, what we do is data type followed by variable name is equal to and then the actual value, correct, followed by semicolon, of course. So in this case, what happens is data type goes away and we bring in var. So what it will look like, var keyword variable name is equal to value. इस केस में क्या होता है कि compiler previously was completely dumb, but now it's actually getting smart, as in we're making it smart, we are making it do work. So it will go to the right hand side of the equation and it will infer the value. क्या वो string थी, क्या वो int थी, जो भी थी उसके basis पे value assign होती है in your actual variable. As in, so if this was string, string variable is equals to new string, it will now be var variable is equals to new string. Java is still pretty much statically typed. This has not changed. This is just syntactical changes that has happened with var. It definitely reduces verbosity, especially with generics. This is an example. So I previously spoke and here it is right in front of you. Instead of data types, I have used the var keyword for you to understand how it works. You don't have to write string name is equals to Sankalp. It will infer that the name is of type Sankalp. In the last line, if you see, I've created a new hash map and assigned it to a variable of type of name map. And in the next line, I have extracted map.entrySet, which states for itself that compiler was able to understand that map is of type hash map. तभी entry set extract कर पाया. So that's what the semantics now looks like. Why people love it? Okay, now those in favor come up with the argument कि ये lambdas streams के लिए अच्छा है, काफ़ी modern है, type is obvious in most cases, so no redundancy, as in string s as equals to new string दो बार क्यों लिखना है, less verbose and definitely cleaner code. I am with you, don't worry. People in favor, people in against, well, they are arguing that overuse may confuse new developers, can reduce readability when type isn't clear. That is true, but then a noob can mess up with the old types as well. No? Suppose if there is a method called nacho and उस nacho method का return type है employee. So employee emp is equals to nacho is equally silly as is where employee is equals to nacho. But second case में हमको data type नहीं पता चलेगा, but it still is equally silly, no? Moving ahead to the verdict. Now that you have understood what var is, I'll let you decide, but I'll just put my facts here. Var is not a hype, but it's a practical tool. Use it to realize whether it's good or not for you. It definitely improves the productivity and reduces boilerplate. Don't have to write string twice. Besides doing a code during a code review. Now this is where it can be occurs, because if you do a mistake like the previous example Nacho, the code review becomes very difficult. However, if you are a smart coder, you'll make the reviewer's life very easy and also the maintainers. Like I said, use wisely when type is obvious, not when it's ambiguous. That's it. I'll move to IntelliJ for a quick recap and an example. So यहाँ पे मैंने ऑलरेडी 4 वेरिएबल्स बनाए हुए हैं. अब मैं इनको where की मदद से बनाऊंगा so that you can understand. But I'll just put one as suffix to each variable name. So for example, पहला वेरिएबल था name of type string. I'm going to create name1 and I'm going to call it provide value Ram. Now understand this. name1 is still of type string. To prove that, I'll just print it once to prove my point. बाकी सबके लिए you'll have to trust me. Now for integer number 1, उसको 1 ही दे देते हैं. For list, यहाँ पे थोड़ा slight change हो जाएगा. So we used to provide the type on left hand side, but since we are using var now, there is no way of doing it. So you'll have to provide the type on the right hand side, and it will infer, sorry, it has to be list1. It will infer कि ये एक string type की list है. Similarly map के लिए भी यहाँ पे since पहले हम left hand side में बताते थे और वो चला गया है, तो we'll have to provide it on a right hand side. So that's it, friends. I'll just simply run it once to show you कि name1.class will print string. Sorry, I just created a big video and now this is taking time to compile. See, so that's what var is. Go try it. You'll get some feedbacks. You'll probably have your own experience, and if you have a feedback for me, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.